Sequential description of finishing work in a building. Phase 1. Installing door frames. Phase 2. Installing window grills. Phase 3. Fitting all types of sanitary and plumbing pipes, including bathroom and kitchen, in the rooftop garden. Phase 4. Installing the inner part of the electrical switchboard wall. Phase 5. Plastering the interior. Phase 6. Plastering the exterior. Phase 7. Installing basin/sink slabs, tiles, and concealed parts in the kitchen and bathroom. Phase 8. Installing aluminum windows or doors with glass. Phase 9. Tiling walls in the bathroom and kitchen. Phase 10. Applying the first coat of ceiling paint with sealer or primer. Phase 11. Installing liquid wall tiles or marble on the interior and exterior walls. Phase 12. Electrical wire installation. Phase 13. Applying the first coat of paint on the interior and exterior walls. Phase 14. Fitting door shutters. Phase 15. Installing fittings in the bathroom and kitchen. Phase 16. Installing electrical switches or sockets. Phase 17. Tile polishing. Phase 18. Filling the rooftop garden with soil and planting tile flowers. Phase 19. Placing pebbles on the basement or rooftop. Phase 20. Applying varnish to wood and painting the final coat on the walls. By following these steps, the finishing work of a building is completed.